Under the orders of Inquisitor Toth, the citizens of Tartarus have begun a mass exodus of the planet. Such an action can lead to disaster in the best of situations. But the reports reaching my ears are ones of planet-wide hysteria as the population makes its pilgrimage to the two main spaceports. Convoys of transports and civilians on foot are being plagued by attacks from Orc forces. Stretched thin, the Imperial Guard is barely keeping order in the major population centers, sacrificing their lives long enough to hold back the green tide of the Orcs. They are truly warriors of the Emperor. I wish for nothing more than to be able to join them in this noble cause. But I cannot deny my duty any more than they can deny theirs. We have found proof that the forces of chaos are operating on the planet of Tartarus. Isidore has found evidence on the blasphemous altar that indicates they may be headed towards Mount Korath, an old mountain located dangerously close to an area of heavy Orc activity. I have requested a regiment of Imperial Guard from Colonel Brom to help cover our approach. I regret asking when the Colonel's forces are already stretched to the breaking point. But there are greater things at stake now.
Exalted Farseer, the humans are moving, traversing the slope as you predicted. They are walking into our trap.
Yes, but you can never ambush a space marine. Remember that. They expect treachery at every turn. You can only validate their suspicions.
Your orders?
We have locked the humans into this path as they have locked us into ours. They know they enter a gauntlet, and they will likely drag us into it as well. Now we play our parts, and pray that we are the better actors.
Are you certain?
Yes, the path to Mount Korath. This is where the altar said we must go. Why? Do you question my findings?
I do not question your abilities, Brother Librarian, but I do question their tactical sense. That mountain pass is the perfect location for an ambush.
Listen to the distrust in his voice. He probably calls you mutant behind your back, but he fears your divinity, your power. You must put the child at ease.
I do not deny that this is likely a trap, which is all the more proof that our enemy lies in this direction.
Very true, old friend. Stay alert and follow my lead. I want no mistakes.
Agreed.
Scouts, are you in position?
Yes, my lord. We have discovered the location of the first Eldar forces.
We must find a way to overcome this Eldar strike force before we can scout out a good location to stage our field operations.
Follow my orders.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Scouts awaiting orders. Gathering intelligence.
Under fire!
Gathering intelligence. Getting into position.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Agreed. My aim shall not falter. For the Emperor.
Scouts in position. Scouts advance.
Command me.
Faith and
This
duty.
structure is a webway portal. The Eldar use them to quickly travel from one location to another. We must destroy any webway portals we find to limit the Eldar's mobility.
Faith is eternal.
We are the Emperor's chosen.
This is a good location to establish a
At last,
field
back
base.
to war.
Gabriel to the Litany of Fury. Lock on my location and prepare to drop HQ. Now.
Here to serve.
Scouts ready. Yes, my lord. Getting into position. Infiltrating enemy territory.
I await your instructions.
Position
With all due
secure.
haste.
We are the Emperor's chosen. Understood.
Fear not the Psyker. Mind over matter.
Yes, most beneficent one.
Area secured. Scouts here.
Yes, most beneficent one. With all due haste.
Fear not the Psyker.
Under fire.
Faith and duty.
At your command. Taking heavy
To
fire.
me, my brothers. At last, back to war.
Fall back.
Today the enemy shall know fear.
Returning to battle.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
The enemy is in our sights.
For the Emperor.
Yes, my lord. Scouts awaiting orders.
Yes, most beneficent one.
Now that we have established our field base, we
I
must
shall
continue through the
obey.
mountain pass on foot. Expect heavy resistance. Make sure
I
you
shall
move
not die
cautiously
on this day.
and keep the field base protected
On alert,
at all
brothers.
times.
The enemy must be nearby.
My lord, I
For
have
the
arrived at your
glory
request.
of the
We need
Emperor.
you to cover the eastern pass. The combat
Yes,
that is
most
occurring here will
beneficent
likely
one.
attract the Orc
With all
forces
due
nearby.
haste.
We cannot afford their interference.
I understand. You can count on the Imperial Guard to hold this pass. No orcs will get by us.
Keep me appraised of the situation. If possible, I will provide you assistance if the Orcs attack.
Yes, my lord.
Walk softly and carry a big gun.
Build routine 7 to 1 initiated.
Scouts in position. Commencing infiltration.
Heavy support available.
We are the Emperor's chosen. Understood. Cleanse, purge, kill. Orders received, brother. Taking hits for the Emperor.
Regroup!
Under fire. Activating jump drive. Rally point! Orders received, brother. Regrouping.
An open mind is like a fortress with its gates unbarred and unguarded. None can stand before us. Through the destruction of our enemies do we earn our salvation.
Yes, most beneficent one. Build routine 721 initiated.
What is your order? Marine squad deployed.
Yes, Lord.
We are the Emperor's chosen. Marine squad deployed. Fear denies faith. Taking heavy fire.
I am ready to serve. Again, I am the instrument of his will. Faith is eternal.
Armor reporting.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Armor reporting.
How can I serve?
I am ready to serve. Again.
We shall know no fear.
At your command. Objective acquired.
Command me. Even in death I still serve.
I shall not fail. For terror.
Faith is eternal.
Agreed. For the glory of the Emperor.
Under fire.
Space Marines, advance! I shall not fail.
Taking hits.
We are united in his service.
At your command. Stay vigilant, brothers. Greenskins.
My aim shall not falter.
I am ready to serve.
Heresy
Again.
grows from idleness.
Fear not the Psycho.
We are the Emperor's chosen. Taking damage.
Yes, most beneficent one. I await your instructions.
The enemy is attacking. What is your order? Halt! The area is secure.
Faith is eternal.
Taking heavy fire!
Yes, Lord. With all due
Even
haste.
in death I still serve.
For the glory of the Emperor. For the Emperor. I shall not fail. For the glory of the Emperor. For terror.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
For the honor of the chapter. Confirmed. Follow me
Under
into
fire!
battle.
No retreat! No surrender!
We shall know no fear. Confirmed.
Here to serve.
My aim shall not falter. Faith and duty.
What is your will?
I shall not fail. We are united in his service.
Initializing build protocol.
Taking heavy fire!
With all due haste.
The enemy is attacking!
I am the instrument of his will.
By my command. Attack!
At last, back to war.
Yes, most beneficent one. Initializing build
Even in
protocol.
death I still serve.
For the glory of the Emperor. Follow my lead.
Taking
Faith
damage!
and duty. Follow my lead. Space Marines, advance!
I await your instructions.
I am the instrument of his will.
Agreed.
I am the instrument of his will.
Thank the
am ready
Emperor
to serve
you're here.
again.
I think Command forgot about us.
How long have you been here?
About a week.
You held this position for a week? By yourselves?
Yes, my lord. We've seen some pretty freaky stuff too. Come on. We'll show you.
Follow me into battle. For the glory of the Emperor. I shall not fail. For terror.
As you wish. Yes, most beneficent one.
Space Marines! The enemy is attacking! Space Marines!
I can sense the enemy.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace. Agreed. The Emperor protects. We shall know no fear. We shall know no fear. For the honor of the chapter. Follow me into battle. Faith and duty. Agreed. Confirmed. He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Faith is eternal.
Yes, most beneficent one. I will do as you ask.
Taking heavy fire! Space Marines attack! Fire in the hole!
Beware the alien, the mutant,
Marines attack!
Land speeder deployed.
Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself. I will purge the unclean.
I exist to
Land
serve.
speeder deployed.
He who stands with me shall be my brother. This day shall be a glorious one. Emperor, protect us. We shall know no fear. Follow me into battle. We are united in his service. We shall know no fear.
Taking heavy fire! Heresy grows from idleness. No retreat! Cleanse, purge, kill! Space Marines attack! Space Marines attack!
I
Yes,
shall
my
not
lord.
die on this day.
For the Emperor!
Land speeder ready for battle. Land speeder ready for battle. Moving out.
Faith is our shield.
I await your instructions.
The enemy is attacking!
Yes, Lord. Build routine 721 initiated.
I am the instrument
Yes,
of his
most
will.
beneficent one. As you wish. Yes, Lord.
Command me.
Faith and duty.
At last, back to war. I am ready to serve. Again.
Faith and duty.
I have a
For the
woman.
Emperor. We shall know no fear.
Taking heavy fire!
For terror. I serve mankind.
Land speeder here. An easy objective. We will destroy the enemy.
Knowledge is power.
Heresy
Hide it
grows from
well.
idleness.
Faith is eternal.
Here to serve.
Fear not the Psycho.
Yes, my lord.
Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic. We shall know no fear.
I am ready to serve. Again.
For the honor of the chapter. For terror. I serve mankind.
The area is secure.
I serve mankind.
We
The
are
enemy
the
is
Emperor's
attacking.
chosen.
I await your instructions. Build routine
At your
71 initiated.
Stay vigilant, brothers. Cleanse, purge, kill. None shall stop us.
Faith is eternal.
We are united in his service.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
I shall not
Taking
fail.
damage.
Follow my lead.
Apothecary ready.
I shall not fail.
Apothecary ready.
We are united in his service.
Taking damage.
I am ready to serve. Again.
I shall not fail. Follow me into battle.
Marine
my
squad
command.
deployed.
Attack!
Here to serve. I exist to serve.
Land speeder here.
We stand ready.
Land speeder here.
For terror. I shall not fail. Follow my lead. By my command. Attack!
The enemy is attacking. Taking hits. Cleanse, purge, kill. Weapons at ready. What are your needs? Taking damage. Who requires my aid? How can I serve? Who requires my aid? Apothecary here. No servant of the Emperor shall fall if I confuse. Death or healing, I care not which you see.
What would you have?
We are united in his service. Follow my lead.
What are your needs?
Even in death I still serve.
Yes, most beneficent one.
The battlefield awaits. The enemy is attacking!
I am ready to serve. Again.
By my command, attack! By my command, attack! Space Marines, advance!
Your end is at hand.
Predator deployed.
Faith is our shield.
Predator tank here.
I have awoken.
His will be done.
I am the instrument of his will. I will be there soon.
His will be done.
Even in death I still serve.
Captured.
My aim shall not falter.
Here to serve. Build routine 721 initiated.
Command me.
For terror. I serve
Under
mankind. Space Marines, advance! For terror. For the glory of the Emperor. For
The
terror.
enemy is attacking!
Space Marines, advance!
Command me.
Land speeder deployed.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Predator tank here. Moving out.
Here to serve.
Land speeder deployed.
Initializing protocol.
I am ready to serve. Again.
Follow me into battle. I shall not die on this day.
Your end is at hand.
To the rally point!
I shall not fail.
Under fire! The fallen shall be forever remembered as the Emperor's finest.
What is your will?
The fallen shall be forever remembered as the Emperor's finest. I follow your commands. No servant of the Emperor shall fall if I can help it. Direct me to the injured. They are finished.
Yes, Lord? I will do as you ask.
How can I serve? No servant of the Emperor shall fall if I can help it. I follow your commands. Space Marines, attack! They are finished.
Even in death,
I shall not
serve.
die on this day. I serve mankind. My aim shall not falter.
Apothecary here. Under fire!
I am ready to serve. Again.
Follow me into battle.
Land speeder here.
The enemy is attacking! What are your needs?
I am ready to serve. Again.
We are united in his
That was the
service.
first step on the road to disappointment.
Predator at your command.
At last, back to war.
Heresy grows from idleness.
I am ready
Taking
to
heavy
serve.
fire.
Again.
For the Emperor! Taking heavy fire! What are your needs? Attack!
At last, back to war.
For the honor of the chapter. We shall know no fear. For Terra, we are united in his service. My aim shall not falter.
Taking hit!
By my command, attack! For the Emperor. Space Marines, advance!
What are your needs? Direct me to the injured. Space Marines! The fallen shall be forever remembered as the Emperor's finest.
Command me.
For the Emperor.
Command me.
We shall know no fear. I serve mankind. For the honor of the chapter. Confirm.
The enemy is attacking!
For terror. Follow me into battle. By my command. Attack! By my command. Attack! Follow me into battle.
Land speeder ready for battle.
Scouts reporting for duty. Scouts awaiting orders. Yes, my lord. We will move ahead and mark any enemy positions. Scouts in position. Scouts here.
Taking damage!
Land speeder here.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Taking heavy fire!
Land speeder here. Predator at your command. Approaching target.
I shall obey.
Command me.
For the glory of the Emperor.
I am ready to serve again. By his word.
Land speeder here. His will be
Under
done.
fire!
His will be done. As you command. Approaching target.
Taking hits!
We will destroy the enemy. As you command. As you command. An easy objective.
At last, back to war.
Land speeder ready for battle.
Here to serve.
My faith is my shield. We shall know no fear.
Predator tank here.
Yes, Lord?
Predator at your command. Predator at your command. Predator at your command.
We shall know no fear. We shall know no fear. Faith and duty. We are united in his service. Confirmed. For the Emperor. We are united in his service. Follow my lead. I serve mankind. Agreed. Confirmed. Follow my lead. Space Marines, advance!
Command me. I will purge the unclean.
Predator tank here.
I shall not fail.
Predator tank here.
What would you have me do? Follow my lead. By my command. Attack!
Predator at your command.
Under
Approaching
fire!
target. Moving out.
Yes, most
I am
beneficent
the
one?
instrument of his will.
Yes, Lord.
Predator tank here.
Command me.
Faith and duty. For the glory of the Emperor.
Taking damage.
By my command. Attack! Run for your lives!
Predator at your command.
Praise the Emperor. For the Emperor.
We are
Agreed.
the Imperial Guard. It is time we started acting like it.
They dare fire upon Space Marines? I command in the name of the Emperor.
Broken. Returning to battle.
Venerate the immortal Emperor. Fear not the sight.
Predator at your command. Predator tank here.
None can stand before us.
Predator at your command.
I serve. I shall never tire. Feel my wrath.
Predator at your command.
Through discipline, we prevail.
We are still unearthing more Eldar explosives and demolition charges, but we dare not move them. We replace their triggering mechanisms, however. That is all I care to do with such xenotech.
Was this a trap?
No. By the placement of the charges, it is likely they plan to collapse this area, burying the marker and anyone near it.
They failed. Isidore, study the marker and see where it leads us next.
Captain, Inquisitor Toth has arrived.
Of course he has.
Yes, Captain, it is an impressive sight. But I never claimed Chaos had never set foot on this planet before. I said that if something were here, the impending warp storm would eliminate that threat. Best we not remain to share its fate.
And as I explained, Inquisitor, the Blood Ravens will remain until the last possible moment. Until that happens, in 2 or 3 days hence, I plan on pursuing this riddle.
Captain, I do not presume to question your decisions concerning the Blood Ravens. But when it comes to employing the Colonel's Imperial Guard in your quest...
My quest? Yet again you accuse me of pursuing my personal interests. It is my duty, and yours, to expunge any scent of heresy or chaos.
You overstep yourself.
As do you, Inquisitor. It is not the Colonel's Imperial Guard. Their lives belong to the Emperor. It is by his mandate and will that I use the Imperial Guard against the forces of disorder and elevate them in the glory of holy battle.
I see now that coming here was a mistake. If you are set on a path that will lead you to destruction, I can do nothing to stop you. But I won't allow you to drag us down with you. By inquisitorial edict, I am taking control of the planet Tartarus. All requests for planetary resources, including its military, will go through me. Captain, from this point on, you and your men are on your own.